In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace an image in PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never used the Freeform Shape tool before. This is a really useful trick if you want to turn a photo, icon, or reference image into a clean outline that you can customize, edit, or use in your slide designs. It's simple, fast, and you do not need any extra software. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint and start with a blank slide so you have a clean workspace. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click Pictures and choose the image you want to trace from your device. Once your image is inserted, resize it and position it where you want it on the slide. It helps to make the image a little larger so that outlines are easier to follow while you trace. Next, go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes and look for the Freeform Shape tool. This is the key tool that lets you manually draw around the edges of your image. Once you select it, your cursor will change and you'll be ready to start tracing. Carefully click along the outline of the image, placing points around the edges as you go. Take your time here, because the more accurate your clicks are, the cleaner your final outline will look. If your image has curves or detailed edges, just keep clicking in small sections so you can follow the shape as closely as possible. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try, because PowerPoint makes it easy to adjust the shape later if needed. When you've made it all the way around the image, simply double-click to finish the shape. That closes the outline and completes your trace path. Now that your shape is created, it may still have a solid fill and default border, so let's clean that up. Click on the trace shape to select it, then go to Shape Fill and choose No Fill. This removes the interior color so you can see just the outline. After that, go to Shape Outline and choose a color you want, such as black, so the traced image stands out clearly. You can also change the line thickness if you want the outline to look bolder or more subtle. At this point, you've created a traced outline of your image inside PowerPoint. This is great for making custom graphics, stylized diagrams, simple vector-like effects, or even creating a template for later design work. You can duplicate the outline, layer it with other shapes, or combine it with text and colors to build a more polished slide. If you want a cleaner result, zoom in while tracing so you can place your points more precisely. And if the image is too detailed, try tracing only the most important parts instead of every tiny detail. That can make your design look cleaner and save you a lot of time. And that's how to trace an image in PowerPoint using Freeform Shape. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.